Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, July 14th. I'm Kaylee Nix, and this is the FreightWaves Morning Minute. Global supply chain automation analysts at Interact Analysis have lowered their projected growth for the mobile robotics market by $800 million. The company cited shifts in the global supply chain for the revised outlook, and they have already lowered their short-term growth expectations for the mobile robotics sector through 2027. Ash Sharma, Chief Commercial Officer at Interact, said that the mobile robot industry is currently undergoing a period of challenges and projected its 2030 revenue for the industry to sit at $15.6 billion. The Smart TD Rail Union is polling its members on a possible strike vote on its CPKC network, according to its general chairman, as it claims that the railroad took advantage of a service crisis to make workplace job changes on the Kansas City Southern network. The chairman would not speculate on the results of the poll. In an email signed by the union members Local 781, representatives claimed that the railroad was using the service crisis to cut jobs and reduce some employees' working hours. CPKC responded, saying that it has been fully transparent with its unions and worked with them closely regarding operational needs. And U.S. trade with Mexico was up again during the month of May, bolstered by shipments of computers, cars, and auto parts. Total trade across the border was $74.5 billion, a 2% increase year over year, and a 7% gain from April. Canada held steady to its second-place trade partner spot with $57.6 billion, and China brought in $27 billion. Top ports of entry for the month included Chicago O'Hare International Airport, Laredo, Texas, and JFK. And the top U.S. exports to Mexico for the month were gasoline and other fuels, computer parts, and auto parts. That's it for the FreightWaves Morning Minute, but you can find us live on What the Truck live today here at noon on FreightWaves TV. Head on over to live.freightwaves.com to get registered for our Enterprise Fleet Summit that's coming up in just about 10 days here. It's our free virtual event. You can find that again at live.freightwaves.com. And while you're there, go ahead and get your tickets for our Supply Chain and AI Symposium that's coming up on July 30th in Washington, D.C., and you don't want to miss it. That's it for the FreightWaves Morning Minute. Have a great Monday, and we'll be back tomorrow.